It's Bonnie. Happy Monday! I am back on this beautiful fall morning. I always look this way when I say that because my window is here. It's a little cloudy, but not bad. I know what day it is today. That's always a win. I still can't believe I said happy Saturday yesterday. I don't know what day it is, but I know today is Monday. We're going to talk about the sales going on at Bath & Body Works today, and I'm going to compare. I've been wanting to do this. Everlasting Magic, which is new for Halloween, and the Sugared Cherry Crisp. Are these the same scents? We're also going to talk about the upcoming sales this week at Bath & Body Works. I got information off of Tess's blog, Life Inside the Page, and oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so late. I actually took my photographs today of the Halloween purse charms that I want to put on Etsy. I usually get our Etsy stuff up really early. This year has just been going exponentially fast, and both my mom and I are kind of slow. My mom actually did make a couple of cool things. There's not many of these, but this is like a Halloween, almost like a sun catcher. It's got a big hook on it. Not all the beads are clear, but these are really cool. I think I have two of these. She may make a couple more of these, but I'm trying really hard to get all of this stuff on Etsy. And then I know a lot of people have been asking about t-shirts. My goal for 2024 is to actually have a real t-shirt website. I have so many ideas for t-shirts up and running. So I have a lot of ideas. It's just getting to them. I need Greg Brady's help. Seriously. I need help. Actually, I think Lenny's coming back in a couple of weeks. We may have another video too. And then I'm going to try and convince my mom to come on again. Lots of fun as we move into fall, Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. I still can't believe I was able to get my hands on, where did I even put it? Oh my gosh, you guys, where did I put I think I took it in the other room. The candle with the gold lid. Where did I put that, you guys? It's around here somewhere. I do have this one. Let me know if you want me to review. Oh, here it is. It's right here, right in front of me. Let me know if you want me to review the cocoa roasted chestnuts now, or should I wait a little bit? I think these are coming out this week. So maybe I'll do this one like Wednesday. Love the blue wax, by the way. I can't wait till we get new candles. Oops, there we go. Okay, what am I talking about? I'm talking about Everlasting Magic. So this year, Bath & Body Works released 3, which was actually amazing. Vampire Blood. They did, let me grab these. Hold on. I've got all my stuff over here. Oh, here's Everlasting Magic in the shower gel. I had all my Halloween stuff in one spot. Midnight Spell, Everlasting Magic, and Vampire Blood, which is really exciting. I gotta say, I give Bath & Body Works a lot of credit for doing 3 Halloween scents. That gives me hope that we're going to have this maybe every year. One of my favorites this year, I mean, obviously I love Vampire Blood, but Everlasting Magic was just really, really a delightful scent, although I am upset that Enchanted Candy Potion was not back. This one is Bejeweled Berries, Phantom Petals, and Magic Musk. So there's no cherry note in here, but a lot of people were wondering if it was Sugared Cherry Crisp from, I think this was fall of 2020. This one never actually came back, which really surprises me. I've been wearing these all morning. Honestly, it's funny because I went around and I actually asked my husband and my mother, I'm like, smell this! Are these the same? Actually, both of them said yes, they are the same. I swear I detect a slight difference, but it might just be like the marketing. I'm like, did they really bring back Sugared Cherry Crisp and run it just right under our nose? And we're like, really? Is that Sugared Cherry Crisp? I think it is. I really do. The tricky thing is there's no cherry note in here. But I'm like, did they really just do that? Did I get fooled? Like, it's a Scooby-Doo mystery. Honestly, all morning, I actually had my husband spray them and not tell me which one was which. and I got it wrong. I thought the Sugar Cherry Crisp was Enchanted Everlasting Magic, and I thought Everlasting Magic was Sugar Cherry Crisp. So I think it's a repackage. I do. I'm just so shocked though, because I didn't think it was a repackage until I did a full-on comparison, which really kind of freaked me out. I love this in the shower gel, by the way. I did pick up a couple of these. I feel like fall and Halloween are both starting to get a little bit sold out. I hope you got your pumpkin pecan waffles. This is gone in my store. Like, there's none left. I see Midnight Spell. I see Vampire Blood. I see Everlasting Magic. So if you want one of these, I would get it now. But even on the dry down, it's a repackage. I'm still freaked out about that. That just like freaks me out that we got Sugar Cherry Crisp back and I didn't even really notice it. That just goes to show that packaging and marketing really plays a huge role. And the other thing is that was tricky is they didn't put the cherry note, and I don't even know what the notes were in this. I got to look these up because they weren't on the back. It just goes to show that sometimes the notes kind of lead you a little bit. But yes, a lot of people said it's Sugar Cherry Crisp, and it is, and I'm really happy because this is actually one of my favorite scents. And I've been wearing Everlasting Magic, all fall going, I love this scent. So go figure. Even I sometimes kind of get a little bit tricked here. So, today Bath & Body Works is doing buy 3, get 3 on the body care. And I don't know if anyone else noticed this. This is another thing that kind of flew under the radar. All new formula for the moisturizing body wash, which by the way went up in price. It's now paraben, sulfite, and dye free. And then tomorrow we're supposed to have a car fragrance email exclusive. Wednesday, room spray email exclusive. Thursday, PocketBac and Core PocketBac clip promotion. Saturday, store is supposed to have a site-wide percentage off. I'm wondering if it's going to be like a 40% because they've done that in the past. And then Sunday, the hand soap and the bar soap. I'm looking forward to that. I love my bar soap. So anyway, those are the upcoming sales for this week. We're going to be diving into more fall because, of course, this week we turned into fall. I'm going to do some comparisons. This still just blows my mind. Seriously. It's just like a Scooby-Doo mystery wrapped in a riddle. Doctor Who's somehow involved. Anyway, it's a time travel event. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.